Hello.
So today's video is a little different, huh?
She look at her purse that she's putting on night.
Yeah, I'm seeing whether light is better, but my pimples don't show. So today we are on MG Road. We are driving through MG Road right now, and we are going with Ron and Aditi to some really epic street food places, right, Aditi?
Yeah.
On MG Road. We might not cover all of them today, but we are making a start today. So
Yes.
we are on a food trail today, and this is very different from our usual videos, but we are so excited for that reason. Yeah. Show some excitement, Ron.
Yay! I'm excited.
Excitement.
So we are going to the vada pav place first, and Ron and I have been eating there since the vada pav was 5 rupees, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and now it's for 15 rupees. So you can just imagine.
It's been more than a
Wow.
decade.
Yeah, more 15 years. Or
And now it's my daughter's favorite food to eat.
something. Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
So the reason it's called JJ Vada Pav is because it's in front of a fire temple, which is a Parsi place of worship, and that fire temple is called JJ Agyari. And JJ stands for Jamshedji Jiji Boy. So you know this Vada Pav stall, since it's right in front of the fire temple, is called JJ Vada Pav or Garden Vada Pav.
As
Yeah.
it's more
More
popularly
popularly
known
known.
now. Jamshedji Jiji Boy.
Come on, Ron. We have to cross the road.
Let's go.
So this is the temple, and that is the vada pav.
Look at the pretty flowers.
Yeah.
See, there's a wedding happening. And look at this lovely lady with her. This is called chalk. So fish is an auspicious symbol for the Parsis and a lot of the Hindus. So see how she puts it. Go. Yeah, see, these are the moles. Look at that pretty fish one. So beautiful. खूप चांगला लगन आहे का आज? अच्छा.
Okay, on to the
Room में वड़ा पाव. You have like a
green carpet.
Welcome. Yeah. Okay. Let's get one.
Up to you.
9 to 9. Okay.
There's just one offering over.
What?
That's vada pav.
There's sangli vada
Single vada. You fool.
and masala tak. Sangli. First we must take pictures of the food,
Of course.
then we shall eat.
Only then. Right? Let's dig in.
to get a
So
picture.
there's green chutney, there's vada,
And
With the
pro
vada.
tip is that you ask for double chutney.
double chutney,
Yeah. And then he
onions,
gives you these
chilies, and the vada
fried
crisps.
bits. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is fabulous. Chalo. Ron,
Who's taking the first bite?
Good as ever. I'm gonna have one.
Even 10, 12 years ago, the taste was still the same.
Yeah.
So good. 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 5 more. 5 more parcel.
Easy.
हाँ, easily. मेरा 1 dozen. हाँ.
Yes.
We said bye bye to Garden Vada Pav, and we are headed to the next place.
Vada Pav is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
That's right.
It's full day, man. Breakfast to dinner. Next video shall be about street shopping.
It's been 2-3 years since we did a street shopping video.
Yeah, 2-3 years, is it? We did pretty well.
Yeah.
ठीक है,
Nice video.
250 का ठेला बंडी
it's nice. Oh, it's a hoodie.
This is nice.
That is nice. That sleeveless one.
These are all nice.
250 बंडी में
I like the front knot. I like the top here.
This one?
Yeah, if you're a supermodel, then you can wear it.
अभी आप कितने बजे से लगाते हैं दुकान?
4 से 9:30।
4 से 9:30। और कितने साल से है ये स्टॉल?
मेरे को 18 साल का
18 साल।
और हमें कितने साल से खिला रहे हैं?
15 साल तो हो गए।
हो गए नहीं।
हाँ, आई थिंक सो। तो फिर आप तैयारी इसकी सुबह करते हैं?
हाँ, मटेरियल सुबह में बनाते हैं,
ओके।
सुबह के बाद चालू हो जाता है।
आप 4 से 9?
4 से 9, 9:30।
9:30.
That's Ron photo bombing my video.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see that.
Okay, so this is the most fantastic bhel.
Got a nice picture though.
And
Look
the
at all
most
this.
hygienic.
Yeah, he's really good. आपका नाम क्या है भैया?
मोहन।
मोहन.
Mohan Bhaiya's
Mohan
bhel.
भैया opposite Budani Wafers in front of Archie's Gallery.
So this bhel has matki and all this. It doesn't have any chutneys.
Yeah. It has this one chutney which is hari mirchi,
Oh yes, I've had this.
and
I've
he
had this
chops
2000.
onions. His skill is like, you put Gordon Ramsay to shame. His knife skills.
Yeah.
So there's curry and onion.
40,
40. Okay, so 40 rupees and you can get it split.
See now the chopping skills.
अरे तू दिखा तो.
Oh, I thought it's gonna be cut on the wooden block.
That's some extra carry for us because we are very, very loyal, long time customers. Okay, somebody needs to give me a tenner.
Thank you,
I
Bhaiya.
will.
They're like so old-fashioned. You know,
ये
plastic
अभी
replaced them,
plastic
but they're back
बनने की
now.
वजह से आया
अच्छा है ना? नहीं पहले यही होता था.
यही होता है।
हाँ, अभी बहुत टाइम बाद ये फिर आ गया.
प्लास्टिक बनने की वजह से आया।
So here you go. Yippee, yippee,
Let me
yippee.
take a picture.
Yeah, I want a picture with my banger and my shoes and a little bit of me so that my personality shines through.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Your personality shines through your bangles and your shoes.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I have to plan my Instagram
See
feed
bangles,
very.
shoes, and
Big.
personality. There you go.
मेरे कैमरा को हाय बोलो.
Hi. See, that's Mohan Bhaiya, and he's opposite here. Okay, the big Budani diagonally, and there's Archie's on top, and right here is where he is. So come by and say, tell him that you saw him on the video and you've come. Yeah, thank you.
How's the bhel, Ron?
It's really good. You have to try.
We're gonna eat here, no? But it's not started yet. We are in queue already. In the meantime, we head down this secret lane to eat some more. Look at the houses here. They're so old and lovely and vintage.
One something. So this is Shubroto ji and his stall is called Classic Club Sandwich. और इस गली को क्या बोलते हैं शुभ्रोतो?
बाबू स्ट्रीट।
Tabooth Street.
Every foodie's paradise.
Yeah, so this is when you enter from modern dairy wala side. Club sandwich, butter dosa, tomato sandwich, bread butter sandwich, brown butter sandwich, chocolate sandwich. Madam,
One of
shut up. That is very difficult. So what do you want? The grilled one is nice. So let's get a grilled one. Bombay garlic toast.
no garlic.
Yep. If
For
onion
you,
bread was
right?
not enough,
Yeah, we need garlic bread.
too.
Yeah.
I
What do you
want
want?
the non-grilled one.
You want the plain one? You want the grilled one?
No garlic toast.
Garlic toast.
These are knife skills. And it's ready. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Who wants a bite? Who wants a bite?
You first.
Really? Yeah. Just
Yeah.
put me under the bus.
Always.
I'll be all with a cheese mustache.
That'll be awesome. No?
I caught that.
Bon appetit.
Okay, now I want.
Your turn.
You're done. You're done.
It's really good.
You know?
Try. अरे बाइट नहीं लेना होता, पूरा डालना होता है. I have the whole thing. Ashu is too posh, man. Ron, you're also too posh, man.
I was gonna say something, but then I won't.
What?
Oh.
Say.
Don't be shy.
No.
It's only us.
अपचन हो जाएगा.
That's our second one. What is that one?
Italian.
Okay, so that's the Italian sandwich that's getting ready.
wanted to be in a parcel.
I'm nothing if not a Twitter. Wait.
Look what we just got.
How's it?
You, after you.
This piece looks very messy.
This is your first time eating all this street food with us, no?
First time.
It's sad.
Why?
It took so many years
First of many?
for us to introduce you to this.
Yeah, it's really good. Mm.
Lots of butter. So this
This is
area,
one of the best
sandwiches, no? Yeah,
And
I love it. This area has pani puri, sandwich, pizza, there behind, cold coffee. Then there are paranthas, more sandwiches, like every kind of buttery street food that you could think of is all here. Hidden in a corner of MG Road. But now we've shown it to you. Hai na? You might bump into us someday. And if you ever see Ron eating here alone, you better tell me.
Please don't. You can come join me.
Such a pretty mandir in the middle of the chalk. And look at those houses behind. So pretty. I love these old houses, man. So we're going back for dosa, no? I hope it started.
Yeah. Which one do you want?
How long have we been coming here?
Since 92. How many years is that?
Since 3 minutes ago.
Since 92 we've been coming here.
It's a long time.
Gavhane Bandhu dosa wale. Now he started doing catering bhi karte hain. And you have idli and lovely dosas. And everything is very clean.
आपका चीज पे है ना
नहीं बटर प्लेन और एक कट डोसा भैया.
Sorry. Hey, I'm not even close to it.
Don't make it look like I'm the only one.
अकेले इतना खाओगे?
That's what you guys do.
Yeah, she never shares.
Yeah.
This is the cut dosa. Coconut chutney, garlic chutney, sambar.
Chalo, come on.
It's a little wobbly, be careful.
I'd rather have this. Oh, this is small.
This is the butter plain.
Yes, this is our mid-meal snack.
Oh shit, I just realized I have to go out for dinner. We are in this very, very glamorous, narrow alley somewhere hidden. Michelin star, 3 stars. Dosa wala. It's so quiet here despite it being almost 6 o'clock. This is such a fabulous place to come to. It's all so clean, so good.
Absolutely is. And it's so delicious.
Isn't it? Delicious, right? This is your favorite? I think my favorite is the sandwich. What's your favorite?
The sandwich. And this.
He's so
And the bhel.
diplomatic.
And the vada pav. I think all of it. See you soon. Signing out.
If you want a part
Goodbye.
2,
Take care.
give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave
Yeah.
a comment below.
Yeah.
Join us. Oops, little noise now. So if you have some epic street food place in Pune that you would want us to check out, tell us in the comments below so we can check it out. And I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Ta-ta. Sayonara.
And please do take care of yourself.
Bye.